Alright, I am now coming out to building number 2 here at Disney's Art Animation Resort in the Cars area. There's Sarge. That's the replica of Sarge's surplus hut from the movies. Over here is your better view of the Cozy Cone themed pool. And building number 2 has a replica of the Wheel Well Motel, which is once an abandoned hotel converted into a bar from the movie. There's Lightning McQueen and Sally. And now we're going to go in and ride the set of elevators in this building. Looks like we got more Otis Elevators to ride with Series 5. There's Lightning McQueen and the Radiator Springs on the mural. And here are the elevators. Let's go to 4. Here on 4, got a mural of red in the firehouse in Radiator Springs. Back down to 1. Or stop on 2. There's your certificates, Series 5 buttons, 35 pound capacity, and I can't get the phone box open. You're welcome. There you go, guys.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's send this car upstairs. We'll try to get the ER elevator. And now we're going to try to ride elevator number 1. Chimes led, but he did not ring. And here's elevator number 1. Take up the 4.
Oh shit, sorry buddy.
Sorry about that. You're all good.
Thank you.
Anytime.
Okay, manners, boys.
You're all good. You're all good.
Come on, stroller.
Come on, we got room. No, we're
Come
good.
on.
We'll wait.
We got
You're
room.
good.
We got room.
Oh, you're fine.
Sure?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright. We'll let these people use the elevator. Get a look around up here on 4. Got a nice mural of the Wheel Well Motel and tailfin pass from the movie. Got your ice machine and your Coke machine. I'm gonna tell you right now, soda here is extremely expensive since you're on Disney property. $5 for a bottle of soda. So that's a room right there. I'm not sure that's a room right there. That's a mechanical room right there. Because that would be a nice spot for a room. Here's your view from the top floor here in this building. Nice view towards the Cozy Cone pool. And there's a view of a guest hallway. Alright, I'm going to let that family go down the elevator. Alright, there's red on the mural with the Radiator Springs firehouse. And their guest hallway. Alright, let's go back down the elevator. I might have to cut the wait time because I want to get this car since we didn't do a round trip on the left car. We're going to send this elevator down to get the left car. I do like these cone lights to represent the Cozy Cone Motel. That's your directory of the building. I believe it was originally going to be part of the Pop Century Resort across the lake from like the early 1900s, like 1910s, 20s, 30s, and 40s. But they instead renamed this to Disney's Art Animation Resort and did every area with different movies, like Cars here, and there's like a Lion King theme, Little Mermaid theme, and Finding Nemo themed. Oh, here's this left car. I'm gonna point the camera away.
Come on.
So, 1, 2, 3.
Alright, let's go down to 1 and get a cab view. Same as building number 1. These are fairly nice elevators. Kind of dark in here as well. There's your checkered floor indicator, key switches, certificates. Stop level 2. These are your Series 5 buttons. Capacity start at 100. This is elevator 1 along with your phone.
No.
They had them in there.
Hello.
Hi. See? He's going down.
Yep, going down to 1.
Yep. He had to stop and pick up passengers.
Yep, gotta be courteous.
Yep. Well, it's gonna stop, so,
This building seems fairly busy right now.
yep. It's really cool here, though.
Yeah, I do like this resort a lot.
Yeah, it's,
Especially the Cars area, it's really cool.
yeah, it's,
Kind of reminds me of Cars Land out in California. If you've ever been to Disneyland.
not, this,
I've never been to California either, but I heard it's really cool, especially Cars Land.
yeah.
Alright, you have a good night.
Yep, you too, honey.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Anyways,
All
there
right,
goes the
come on.
other, and
Go back
that would be it for this building.